Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use SheetSuite for your salon. As soon as you set up SheetSuite, first you have to go to settings. You have to fill all the necessary information related to your business and your currency, your operating hours, and email settings in case if you want to change the subject line for the email confirmation and the signature. In case if you have additional employees where you want to receive notification, you can enter their email ID, and whenever you change or update detail, you just have to click on update and apply. So whatever the details you have entered, those are saved. And as soon as you set up, you'll receive appointment link, and this you can share with your customers, and you can manage all the payment methods from here, and you can manage all the services from here. And whenever you update or create a new product, just need to enable yes and tap to update. So the services are added, and these will be synced with your appointment booking forms and billing sheets. So first we'll begin with the booking form, and this you can share with your customers, and they'll have very basic details, and they can just choose time slot and service. Let's say customer enter their details, they can choose appointment date and time slot. These are fetched from your operating hours, and these are from the service list. And then they submit. As soon as they submit, you will have their appointment in appointment sheet, and from here you can update, and this is the service we made. Let's say you want to call them and confirm, or just if you want to update anything, you can manage from here. And you'll also receive an email confirmation that you have a new appointment, and your customer will also receive a confirmation that they have made an appointment, and they will receive a calendar link. This will remind them one day before and few hours before that they have an appointment with your business. So this is completely automated. The other way, you might be receiving calls from customers for appointment. So for that, you just need to click on SheetSuite and book appointment, and you can make a appointment for customer. Let's say Sam, and you can enter their details, and can choose service and time slot. You can just save, or you can just save and send them email. In case if you don't have an email, you can just save the appointment. And in case if they say that I don't want to receive any notification, just save the appointment. And in case if you are ready to receive further communication, just send them an email. As soon as you select, it will just send them in few seconds that appointment has been made. can see. So this way you can manage your bookings. The next we'll go to billing. Let's say you have a customer who already exists and you have their email. You can just type and enter. The customer details are already exist. It will autofill. In case if not, you just need to enter manually and then you can choose service and amount will be fetched, and you can enter discount in case if you want to apply, or you can also change the price if you think you'll have additional service. So if you want to make 120, you can still make changes into charges, and if you want to apply discount, you can enter discount and the reason for the amount will be auto calculated, and you can choose payment method, payment status. Just click on generate invoice. It just take few seconds to run and you'll see all the notifications here once it's done. And now the invoice is created and it has sent to customer already. But let's say in case if you want to print this out, you can just go to transactions and you'll always see on the top the recent transactions. Just click on the view or just hover on it and you can print this out from here. And all the details are fetched from your business settings. So you make sure you enter all the details related to your salon in the settings. And you can view all the transactions here and you can check your customer data here. And how many times they have visited, what is their total spend, and we collect this data from your appointment and the billing. So all the customer data consolidated here. And in case if you want to view only today's appointments, you can click here. So there is only one for today. Then click on upcoming appointments. Basically, it will take further 30 days. You can view all those here. And you can check all the reports here. The total appointments, total revenue, customer statistics, and all. So this is it. And you can reach us on any time in case if you have any queries. Thank you.